In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Credit Karma using a simple, step-by-step walkthrough. Whether you're checking your credit score or looking for financial advice, Credit Karma is a helpful tool that offers a free and user-friendly experience. Let's dive in and get you set up with your very own Credit Karma account. First, grab your favorite web browser and type in the URL, creditkarma.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of Credit Karma. You'll notice a sign up button, typically highlighted to stand out for easy access. Go ahead and click on that button to start the registration process. Now you will be prompted to enter some basic personal information. Start by filling in your email address. Be sure this is an email you frequently use, as important updates and verification will be sent there. Next, create a secure password. Remember to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your information remains safe. Following this, you'll need to enter your first and last name, your current zip code, and your date of birth. This information is crucial as it helps Credit Karma tailor the service to your needs and provide accurate credit insights. After you've carefully filled in all these details, click the Next button to proceed. At this stage, you will be asked to verify your identity. Credit Karma will require you to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. This step is vital because it allows Credit Karma to access your credit report securely while ensuring that your sensitive information is protected. Additionally, you may be prompted to answer a series of security questions. These questions usually relate to your financial history, serving as an extra layer of protection to verify that you are indeed who you claim to be. Once you've completed the identity verification process, it's time for a quick review. Take a moment to double check all the information you've entered. This is your chance to correct any typos or inaccuracies that might have crept in along the way. After confirming that everything is correct, you're ready for the final step. To wrap things up, click on the Agree and Sign Up button. By doing so, you agree to Credit Karma's terms and conditions, completing the registration process. Congratulations! You are now a proud member of the Credit Karma community. That concludes our tutorial. If you followed along, you should now have full access to all the valuable tools and insights Credit Karma provides. Remember, monitoring your credit is just the beginning of your financial journey, and platforms like Credit Karma are there to support you every step of the way.